Alrighty, time now 6:07. Just in case we do catch any of those rain chances tomorrow, the reptile day might be a good thing to go to since it'll be indoors, Ansley.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you can still do outdoor things this weekend, but you got to kind of always be on guard. Is there a shower or thunderstorm on the way? That'll just kind of be what we deal with today, tomorrow, and into Sunday. But I don't think it's going to be a washout. So luckily, outdoor plans, like I said, you should still be able to do them. It's just going to be a story of kind of hit or miss rain chances through the weekend. So as you wake up this morning, really not too many changes on the way. A couple of clouds there in downtown Macon, but numbers-wise, we're exactly in the same place as yesterday. 74 degrees right now. Across the map, it's low to mid to a couple of upper 70s. So not really many changes out there this morning in terms of how the numbers feel. Also because we have the humidity in place. So we'll take humidity right on into the afternoon, and that means numbers will actually feel warmer than their actual air temperature. By later today, we're at least going to feel like we're in the upper 90s, but probably most places will feel right around 100 degrees through the afternoon. Now that's going to be warm, especially considering the fact that the high temperature only sits in the low 90s, but we do stay out of heat advisory criteria at least for today. Part of that is going to be because we do have an increased rain chance for this afternoon. A slightly better opportunity to catch a shower or a thunderstorm will be in store heading into the rest of the day. So our satellite and radar picture right now is clear, but when we start to go big picture and look up in North Georgia, that's where we start to get an idea of what could be on the way to us. A big feature that you'll notice is a stationary boundary that's set up across the northern portion of our state and other portions of the Deep South. And this stationary boundary is acting as sort of an axis for showers and thunderstorms to get started. So what happens is when it sags a little bit further into central Georgia, these showers and thunderstorms that you see up here in North Georgia will start to kind of move into our area. So throughout today, the rain chance overall will still feel familiar. A couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms, not a total washout of a day, but a slightly better opportunity today to catch rainfall than you had for yesterday. That's pretty much all the way through the day into the evening. There will still be dry moments, like I mentioned. You can see some gaps in the coverage here as we go into the evening, but you should kind of be on guard at all times that there could be a shower or a thunderstorm on the way. Friday night plans, dinner plans, things like that. Just make sure you have your rain gear on you and just have a backup plan in case you need to duck inside for a moment or two. But the good news is by the weekend, I do think the rain chance starts to improve just a little bit. As you wake up Saturday morning, it may still be a dreary scene, maybe a shower or two embedded in the cloud cover Saturday morning. But by Saturday afternoon, the coverage on the showers and thunderstorms returns to just very hit or miss. One or two spots will end up seeing something, but a lot of places on Saturday will end up staying dry. And Sunday follows a very similar pattern. As we go into the afternoon, a rain chance is still there, but not as many folks end up seeing the rainfall that we're going to see for Sunday. So overall, the weekend, touch and go kind of. There's definitely going to be moments where you have to duck inside and dodge some rain, but there's also going to be moments where you're able to step outside and enjoy the nice weather. The high temperatures all weekend long will sit somewhere in the low 90s. And this is kind of the last days that we're going to be in the low 90s because as we head into the upcoming work week, well, the rain chances actually start to taper off even more. And as they do that, that means that the high temperatures are going to start to climb. We're in the low 90s through the weekend, but by next work week, those low 90s turn into mid to upper 90s with a heat index that likely on a couple of days will put us back into heat advisory criteria. You trade it for some more sunshine, though, so a little bit of a clearer week next week.